Today we are going to prepare homemade mango ice cream. For this ice cream, all we need are condensed milk, whipping cream or whipping powder in my case, and then mango. Before we get started, let me welcome you all to my channel. This is a passionate food lover and you are most welcome. Please make sure to like this video because it really helps me a lot, and please do well to subscribe. Thank you. In a blender, I'm going to add 1 cup of mango and blend it with 1 cup of condensed milk. It's easier to blend your mango with condensed milk before adding it to the whipping cream so that you do not have curdles forming in the whipping cream. This is one of the easiest recipes for ice cream that you can ever get. It doesn't require any sophisticated ingredients. All you need condensed milk, mango, or the fruit of your choice, and whipping cream. I'm going to transfer the blended mango into a bowl and start working on my whipping cream. Heavy cream is actually expensive where I am, so I find out that powdered whipping cream also works perfectly. So in a chilled bowl, I'm going to pour 1 cup of powdered whipping cream, and I'm going to add 1/4 cup of ice cold water into this and whip it. It's important to chill your bowl, your whisk, and use ice cold water. This helps to activate your powdered whipping cream. I'm going to whisk this till the powdered whipping cream and the chilled water is well incorporated. This should take me about 45 seconds to 1 minute to achieve that consistency that I'm looking for. That everything is well incorporated, I'm going to add my mango mixture and mix it till soft peaks are achieved. Then I'll stop. This took about 3 minutes to achieve. Please do well to like this video because it helps me a lot. It helps others to see my videos also, and please subscribe to my channel for more content. I have a lot of content coming up, so please subscribe. Thank you. Let's get interactive on social media. You can follow me on Instagram, ask me any questions, and then I'll be glad to answer you. Thank you. So after mixing this for about 3 to 5 minutes, I'm happy with the consistency. Into a freezer safe bowl, I'm going to pour our mango ice cream into it. I'm just going ahead to spread it out evenly in the bowl with my spatula so that everything comes out even. This can stay in the freezer for up to 8 hours, but I left mine overnight and then it came out perfect. After staying in the freezer overnight, my ice cream came out so firm and super fluffy. It's not super hard and it's not soft. It's just the perfect way to have an ice cream. Just going ahead to scoop some into a bowl and give it a try. So let's see. The ice cream came out so creamy and so fluffy, and it was super delicious. I hope you guys give this a try. Thank you all for sticking with me to the end of the video. Please do well to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. With my previous video, you know how I made the easiest and simplest Ghanaian chips. I decided to pair it with my ice cream, and boy was it delicious. Thank you all for watching. God bless you. Bye.